Hi everyone! Today I will be releasing the Sweet Pea tutorials for you, and you can follow along and enjoy painting with me as if you are sitting right next to me. So this is just the beginning. I dropped in a little bit of the paint. Mr. T is sitting here with me, so he is a bit noisy. He just woke up. But it is quite easy, and the reason why I say it is for intermediate to beginners is because I think if you jump in and you paint, even if you're a beginner, you will still enjoy, just you learn so much if you paint it, even if as a beginner. So that's why I say it's for beginners as well. And I mentioned all the colors. I took a few close-up shots and to show you exactly what I do, so I think you'll be able to do it. So I want you to jump in and just do or try it and see for yourself. So all the colors I will mention during the video, and I've also attached a little PDF, little booklet for you so that you can print it for you, or you can keep it on your iPad or your laptop or your phone or wherever you store your documents, and you can use it as reference forever. It's yours. You can always go back to it and in a year's time paint it again if you want to, and just see how you progress. But this is the little sweet pea that we painted. It's from my garden, and I think you will enjoy it as much as I did. The colors are super vibrant and beautiful. I will make a little chart for you with the normal colors that I normally use, just so that you can maybe try it with the colors that you have, because I tried a different brand of watercolors. But don't let that stop you from trying this tutorial. You will have fun, I promise you. Just jump in and paint it. But don't be afraid. Don't ever be afraid to paint anything in watercolor. Even if it doesn't turn out beautiful, just jump in and do it. I will have a new tutorial for you very soon. I painted another flower that I'm also uploading for Patreon and YouTube, and you will be able to paint that one as well. So it's just a different angle, and I will be editing that very, very soon. So I will see you very, very soon. A lot of very, very, but I will see you soon with a new tutorial, and let me know what you think of this one. Have fun.